Before the roots
turn it out, dig it. Yo, I flips and spins on petroleum because I'm the slicker kid tagging my name in Krylon and Rust-Oleum. Everybody know we better they know we are the S to the TR. Whoops, I forgot to say the A up in the middle as I groove it just a little and I rap. It's not a riddle. It is the kid you can't forget or better. You could forget me never cause I'm clever. My shit is mad together. I'm rough as leather. You wonder whoever or who is it? Yet it is the one. Black Thought, the mad exquisite kid to get evicted out the house. I am the one that got the versatile as crazy wild style as rude rap. Yes, it is the new rap. Never is it old shit. If sister bullshit that I kick from the top of the dome shit I better litten. You know I'm not kidding, not forgetting. Way back in the 1 to the 9 and 8 to the 3 and it was me and then I was finding, signing my name a better signing or tagging the shit on the walls and I was bragging. Hostile dick except the cops when I hops at stops. The turnstile then I burn styles, a better burn piles, a better burn files that other MCs be trying to kick in. The styles is ridiculous. Finger licking good like as if I was fucking chicken. Yes, I am the kid that got the Ronald McDonald, but not down with the Mickin, or better the Big Mackin. I am the abstract, versatile kid that's blackin'. Black Thought the 5 to the foot, 8 inches shorter just to slaughter MCs. Yo, that be cinches, or better it's a cinch for me to grab the microphone and pitch as I inch up. Then I inch up another inching. Yes, I be like lynching like the mob. Yo, I consider it my job just to rob a slob and hang them and bang them and brutalize them and murder them. Yo, it's like that, and you know I'm cooler with the E to the S to the P-O and the show on the going. Yes, I be like Cohen all around the place. That's why the bitches be like knowing that I'm like growing, getting harder and longer cause my styles is mad stronger. Yes, I am Black Thought, a freestyle song performer, and when I'm on a shit I'm wild, but sometimes I get calmer. Word to your papa or your mama, Rama. Yo, that is the truth, and I grab the microphone and then I raise the roofing. I'm from the group called the Roots, and it's like that. I step with boots and I grows like fruits. Green, don't stop. Green is what I mean. I'm on the scene. Yo, I am the true gangster lean. Pink. I think I got to go to the sink to wash my hands in. Then I put my mans in. Blue. Who the hell are you? I am the one that's from the Roots crew, and I'm telling you to rebel. Steve, yes, you know he's gonna leave after he busts straight pieces in Peach. Yo, I am the kid that got the speech that you can't impeach because I am not a leech. I won't war. Yes, y'all. Everybody, as I call you, you got to kick the ball. Trash. The trash is for your asses growing over there, right next to the grass, and then I spaz with jazz. Bam. Yo, what did you say? I couldn't hear you, my man. Oh yes, there you go. You said the can. The cans are painting. You know I ain't a saint because I am the baddest. The kid that gets the